Okay, so what you should see with this one is that it's already y equal to this, and it's already y equal to this. So you don't have to do anything, you can just put them equal to each other. Okay, y is already equal to this, so you can say, well, I can then put this in the place of y there, or I can put this one in the place of y there. So because they're both equal to y already, I can just put the two equations then equal to each other. Okay, so we're going to put the negative x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to this, half x plus 1, x plus 1 minus 2. Okay, we put them equal to each other, and then we just solve it. So then we're going to say negative x squared minus 5x plus 6, and then if you multiply this out, it's x squared plus 1x is plus 2x, and then times 1. Okay, so multiply that out. Now obviously multiply the half in. So we're going to have negative x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to half x squared. Half times 2 is plus 1x. Half times 1 is a half. And then minus 2. Okay, so we just multiplied out, simplified, and now get it in standard form. So take it all over. So it's going to be negative half minus 1. So it's negative 3 over 2 x squared. It's minus 5x. If you take the plus x over, it's going to be minus x. So it's minus 6x. And then a half minus 2 is negative 1.5. Take it over, it's plus 1.5. It's plus 7.5. Or you can write it as 15 over 2 equal to 0. Okay, so we do that, and then we use the quadratic equation. Okay, you can check if you want to, if you put this one over 1, just because it's not nice working with the fractions. Have you seen in the quadratic equation, it's not nice when there's fractions all over the place. So what you can do is you can put this one over 1, multiply by 2 both sides, and then take away the denominator. Then you get negative 3x squared, and then 6 times 2 is negative 12x, and then plus 15 equal to 0. Okay, so all I did is I just made the denominators the same by putting this one over 1. Okay, then I can take them away, and now what you can do is you can divide everything by negative 3 now. Remember, at any stage you can divide by a number as long as you do it everywhere. Okay? You guys know that, right? So we can divide everything by negative 3, and then we're going to have x squared plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay? Divide by negative 3. Okay? And now it looks like we can make it x plus 5x minus 1. So we didn't even need the quadratic formula. X plus 5, x minus 1. Think about it. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. 5x minus 1x gives you 4x. And that means x will be equal to negative 5, or x will be equal to 1. So there's my two solutions for x. Okay? And then we can just find y. So we can say therefore y will be, substitute the negative 5 in here. Okay, so you're going to have a half negative 5 plus 1 squared minus 2. Substitute the negative 5 in that side. So it's going to be negative 4 squared is 16 times a half. 8 minus 2 is 6. Or if you substitute it into the other, if you substitute the other value, the 1, it's going to be 1 plus 1 squared minus 2. That's 2 squared is 4 times half is 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. There we go.